today's video, we're going to be talking about all things converters. So let's get right into it. First things first, when playing with ink, it can and will get messy, so make sure you prepare for that. So, what is a converter? Well, simply put, it's a refillable vessel that holds ink inside of a fountain pen. Unlike these disposable cartridges, a converter can be used over and over again, making them a great eco-friendly alternative to single-use cartridges. And if you're an ink hoarder like me, it means you can fill your fountain pen with an endless variety of bottled inks. At Cult Pens, we stock around 1,500 different inks, and then when you start mixing them, the possibilities truly are endless. When picking a converter, make sure you're picking one of the right fitting, the most common one being Standard International. These are used by quite a few different pen brands, including most of the smaller ones. Quite a few of the bigger brands, though, have their own fitting. If you don't know which one your pen uses, you can find your pen on our website, and we should have the information listed underneath. Now, let's talk about the types of converters. You could get one like this Quaco Mini Squeeze converter, which has a cute little pouch that you squish to suck up ink, much like an eyedropper. But by far the most common type is a piston converter. These either use a screw mechanism or a plunger mechanism. Now, some people dip their converter straight into their inkwell and fill up that way, but I prefer to attach my converter to my nib unit and fill it directly through the nib, like so. Expelling ink is done simply by reversing the filling process. Just be careful, as ink can come out at quite a force. You'll need to thoroughly clean your converter before refilling. To do this, you can soak it in warm soapy water if there's any dry ink inside. Other than that, just suck up and expel some warm soapy water continuously until it runs clear. And that's the lowdown on converters. Remember to shop Cult Pens for all converter and fountain pen needs. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions for future video ideas for us, do let us know in the comments down below.